day 3 on the Annapurna circuit. I'm at 2.Chame, and today I'm trekking to Pisang. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm trying to balance me out. My feet can't touch the ground.
नमस्ते. ये आप क्या करते हैं इसका? हाँ, ढीडो. Oh, I'm passing through apple orchards here on both the sides, and they've put up a fence so that people don't come in and pluck. So unlike the apple trees that are found in Himachal, these apple trees are quite tiny. So I've reached Bhatang, and all the apple farms that you see, there is an apple factory here where they pluck the apples, grade it, pack it. So I'm at the Fresh Green Coffee, which is near the apple factory. They also have fresh green apple, red apples, and cold pressed apple juice, and a set of donuts and pastries. Get something known as aquatabs, and it's advisable that you add 1 tablet of this to 1 liter of water, because sometimes the water is not safe to drink. Pratang, I have reached this place called Dhukur Pokhri, and next stop is Pisang. The views are getting better. They're also getting slightly. This is one mistake that I did yesterday, which was trekking all the way from Jagat to 2.Chame, from 2.Chame to Dharapani, from Dharapani to Timang, and then to 2.Chame. So I reached 2.Chame pretty late last night, and I couldn't sleep well. I was feeling cold in the night, so I realized that I hadn't acclimatized well. So when you're doing this circuit, make sure that you take enough stops, because otherwise you're going to be hit by the altitude gain. Yeah. Come to this place called Annapurna Hotel in Upper Pisang, and I made a deal here that I will eat food and breakfast, dinner and breakfast, and I get the room free. This is my room, and let's see how the view is. Hello people, good afternoon from Upper Pisang. I'm staying at this place called Hotel Annapurna, and I am with your name?
Well,
Shungda. And she has done the Thorangla Pass how many times?
this I don't know.
3 times?
Me?
Yeah. Yeah, and she's been to Tilicho Lake as well.
So one dam.
So we have a strong woman here, and I'm taking a video of Dhido. Dhido is basically corn.
Yeah.
So
Well, this a well.
Oil. Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's a staple, just like rice in these regions. What they do is you take corn, right? Corn.
This a no corn. This a I don't know, aru.
Aru.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm going to the monastery. That is Annapurna II in the background. So there are two monasteries or gompa. One is the new one, which is this. So at the monastery, they have free lemon tea, which is kept in the jug there. You can pour yourself a cup of lemon tea, and if you like, you can